Hello everyone, I am Ramon and this is Ramon at Home. On this channel we talk about interior design, seasonal home decor, DIY projects and shopping tips, all on a budget so you can create a space that tells your story. If you're new to my channel, just know that we upload regularly, so consider subscribing. On today's video, I want to talk to you about what happens here at Ramon at Home. This channel is all about helping you create a space that tells your story on a really small budget. Growing up in Mexico, I lived in a very modest household. However, my mother always found a way to create a beautiful space. She was proud of being the mother of four and to have a beautiful home. So that's where my design creativity comes from. Not only my mother but my grandmother both have beautiful homes, and they've created these beautiful homes in very small budgets. When I started working in the furniture industry, I fell in love with interior design, and that's where my career started. It is my goal to help you guys create a beautiful space in a small budget. I love nothing more in the world than hosting a group of friends and laying a beautiful table for them to feast their eyes before they even try their meal. But if you were to ask me, Ramon, what is your favorite thing to do? I would have to say seasonal decorating. I have many years of experience in the seasonal decorating world. I think market is where most of the designers get their inspiration. If you haven't been to a market, I strongly recommend you go. You will be inspired beyond words. When people ask me why is it so important for me to get my message to the world, I say it's because I believe that everyone can have a beautiful home without having to break a bank. My decorating philosophy is that by strategically placing large displays of seasonal decorating, you can create a space that tells your story. Christmas, but before I do that, I'd like to talk to you about the main source of inspiration and the elements that build this year's Christmas look. It all started when I found this tablecloth at a thrift store and I fell in love with it, and I knew that one day it'll be the main source of inspiration for my Christmas decorating, and that year is this year. I have also worked as a florist for many years. One of my passions is floral arranging, whether it's for an entry table, a side table, or full tablescape. Phalaenopsis orchids. We're gonna do white calla lilies and on this clear container. I love tulips because they have this really wild look to them, and I love to add them to my bouquet. And I want to give you all the information that I have gathered throughout the years working in the industry. If you guys follow me for a while, then you know that I love a patio makeover, whether it's for spring, fall, or Christmas. So if you're looking for interior design inspiration, you've come to the right place. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with a friend. And don't forget to subscribe to Ramon at Home for future decorating ideas. Until then, bye. Alright guys, let me show you where I have my bar card and how I decorate it for Christmas. It's very simple, but I want you to see